Good evening, this is the continuation of the day 23. Nag-off akong cellphone kaya napatay because na full storage. Kinanglan ko na gid nga magpang-delete sa mga nagligid ko nga video, but amo na. Back to the topic. Ang quote of the data is, the start is always cringe. Meaning, it simply means nga kung gumpisa ka palang wala for shoes isa ka bagay, for example, singing dabi. Ang pinakauna-una gid sa nimo when you are just starting is always cringe gid sa. Kasi syempre nga daan, you don't know, you awkward kung ano yung ginahimo, kung tama man bala yung imo movements or something like that, mga bagay nga muna. But then if you're progressing more and more frequently in the future, it will not be cringe anymore. It will be a part of yourself wherein makilala or makita sang iban, miski ikaw makita mo nga mambal mong ikaw gid na. And amo na akong take subong wherein I will just continue to be more consistent sa pag-video, and also I have to make an effort in every video miski kapoy ako emotionally, mentally, physically, damo na bala. I will make an effort to at least improve my body language. Kinahalata ko to ga-relapse or gabalik naman ko bala sa dating nga mga unnecessary body movements wherein kakalot-kalot or tiraga mo na muna, which is very bad man. And also thankfully I'm being mindful man sa mga filler words, and thankfully way naman ko masyado gagamit sa mga filler word, which is very a big achievement man towards akin. I think that's all for the quote of the day. Keep going lang. And even though it feels confusing, awkward, or cringe at the first try, but you'll get used to it to the point that it will be a part of yourself. You'll see or the more you progress in the future, you will see the improvements, and also the lever of your efforts. Kumbaga, pag may itinanim, may aanihin. Keep on putting an effort. Don't use those excuses, no matter how valid they are. Just keep focusing sa imo goal kag plan, kaya mo na yung imo dapat work out or i-prioritize, not yourself, not your feelings or doubt. Continue to be consistent and always finish what you start. Plan ko tani nga mag-practice sang akon inog report subong using this day sa pag-video subong. But then since nalutoy na gid ko, kag gusto ko na matulog kag aga pa ko nga daan buwas, I think mga alas 3 or alas 4 dapat nakabugtaw na ko, kay hindi I can't afford to be late. Literal, hindi ko afford mag-late dito sa klase ni sir, kay basi bala hindi na ako makasulod siya klase, kaya muna nga dani warning sa mon. I think that's all. See you again tomorrow, and keep going lang. Everything will be fine, and you're improving. It's worth it, kid. That's all. Thank you. Nagbakal gali ko subong eyeglasses para sa akong report, boss.